Here we are in our slides for week 7. Our big question for this week is unpacking what is classroom management. It is a lot of things, and hopefully after the readings and activities for this week, you will have a better definition of what is classroom management to you. Remember that for our online classes this month, you can find the step-by-step expectations and activities for what you are working on for the online class in Canvas. This week it's under the week 7 module. Here we are in that week 7 module. You'll find your to-do date, and then you'll find the step-by-step of all the things to work through for this week. So the slides lay out a little bit, but then you'll want to make sure you go to that week 7 module to get all the activities and expectations. Back to our slides for a little overview. So I pulled a definition from Wong and Wong. It's a textbook. There are 2 books that they've put out, but they're kind of gurus of classroom management. Their definition says, classroom management refers to all of the things that a teacher does to organize students' space, time, and materials so that learning can take place. This management includes fostering student involvement and cooperation in all classroom activities and establishing a productive working environment. So remember that your main goal with classroom management is to have all of these things running smoothly so that you can teach and students can learn. The main resource you're going to be digging into for this week is Teach Like a Champion. This is a book by Doug Lemov. What you're reading is a summary of the book. That link within module for week 7 takes you to that summary. If you like what you read in the summary, I'd really encourage you to order the book. It is a great book. I also wanted to let you know that here in the slides and also in the module, any of these underlined techniques link to a video that demonstrates the technique. So if you want to see how it looks like in action, go check those out. Again, what you're going to be doing with the Teach Like a Champion techniques is choosing 3 that stand out to you. If you're currently teaching, you're going to try them, and then in your Go React video, you'll report back how it went. If you're not currently teaching and you don't really have a good audience to try them, like family or friends, then you will just talk about why this is a good technique and how it might help your future students. So it'll be more hypothetical. We're going to go back to using Go React for this reflection or response. So you're going to record and post a video describing the 3 techniques that you chose and responding to either one of these options above. You will be posting and responding by Wednesday, October 16th. I'm keeping it kind of flexible so that you can work on your own schedule over the next week or so. Here we are in Go React. If you haven't yet created your account, make sure you do that first. The steps are in the assignment. You're going to be going to Video Post Online Class Week 7, and then the instructions are here. You'll be able to post your video by go to Start Assignment, and then again you will respond to 2 of your peers in that feedback box that comes up to the right of the videos once people have started posting. There's more information here in the module for week 7 about Go React, links for help in Go React, so be sure to see that if you need more information on completing the Teach Like a Champion debrief. The last thing that you'll be working on in the online module for week 7 is an overview of Management Plan Part 2. There's a separate video for this because I wanted to be able to link it in the assignment, so it was an easy reference there in the assignment page. You will be able to find that Management Plan Part 2 overview video both in the online resources and activities for week 7 and in Canvas assignments for the Management Plan Part 2. Okay, I hope everyone has a great week. I look forward to hearing your thoughts about Teach Like a Champion, and I also wish you luck working on Management Plan Part 2.